WorldFirst Card Review. Is it legit or scam? So what is WorldFirst? WorldFirst's World Card is a multi-currency virtual card designed for businesses, particularly those operating internationally. It allows businesses to manage and make payments in multiple currencies directly from their WorldFirst multi-currency business account with no foreign exchange fees when paying in the 15 supported currencies. The card is virtual, can be opened instantly, and is accepted wherever MasterCard is accepted. So, what is the reviews? They are praised for competitive exchange rates and transparent fees, but some users find the markup on exchange rates and potential SWIFT fees make costs less predictable. While WorldFirst excels in business solutions, it may not be the best choice for individuals needing smaller transfers or simpler services. Their business focus is e-commerce sellers, importers, and businesses with international transactions in mind. They offer accounts in multiple currencies, enabling businesses to hold and manage funds in various currencies. They have competitive exchange rates, potentially transparent fees, forward contracts, allowing businesses to lock in exchange rates for future transactions. However, some potential drawbacks include having login problems, delayed payments, and account rejections. There are also concerns about the markup on exchange rates and potential hidden SWIFT fees. Some alternatives include WISE, which is often suggested as an alternative for individuals and businesses needing more transparent pricing and simpler international money transfers. So, WorldFirst is more suitable for businesses rather than individuals as they offer a very attractive multi currency exchange with little fees. And that is an honest review of WorldFirst Card.